Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here in Autopro to change the tire of my car because suddenly there is a hole in my tire, in the left side tire. So I don't know where I got this since the road is clean and there is always street sweeper, so I don't know where I get. Maybe because it's already old.
What is one different? And then it's not the same.
No, it's only for temporary use.
Ah,
Until tomorrow is okay.
So right now they're gonna start to remove the tire of the car. They're gonna replace this small one here, the side, and that's gonna be ugly looking because they're not the same with the other part of the tires. So they're gonna put this one, that one. It's only, you can run like 50 to 80 kilometers per hour on this spare parts, spare tire. This is only temporary tire of this car. It really looks ugly because they're not the same, but that's okay. We don't have available right now for the Bridgeton and the Pirelli brand of the tire, and it's also actually it's expensive here in this place to buy a tire. You better go to big companies, like you can find them inside industrial area. Like later we're gonna not later because already night, so by tomorrow morning I'll have to visit that place to check if they have available brand of this car and to get the cheapest price compared here. But he said to me they have available buyers, it's only for tomorrow, not this time, so that's why they
Keep your things here. Okay? Don't open boot.
okay.
Because I keep the tire here because the tire very small, we cannot keep downside because there is no space.
Okay.
Never open this one.
Okay.
You can use.
it's done. Now he's gonna count all the estimated price to be paid after the fourth tire will be finished. But we'll see if this price is good for us and the quality of the brand of the tire. And if not, then we're gonna replace it from other place and other company. So good morning guys, here we are again. Look at that car in the daytime, look at the tire. Look at that, different. So here we go again, back to the place where I came last night. We're gonna check the tire brand if it's still available or not. Otherwise, we're gonna visit to the other place. Since the tire is not available, then we're on our way to Lezof company. Really expensive, but we can get also a discount. Look at this waiting room for the ladies, it's really cool. And I can also see and look my card over there. Now they're bringing inside to remove all the tires. So guys, we're here in Lezof, located in Ras Al Khor industrial area in Dubai. Here you can find so many types and different brands of the tire of the car. And what is good here is they have so many stuff to assist you for everything you need about cars. Aside from cool and relaxing waiting room, they also have a cafe in the other room for if you want some drinks and foods to eat while you're waiting. And this area is for the ladies waiting room. It's really cool. I like the sofa. And to the bathroom, it's actually not the bathroom because there's no bed. Oh yeah. Just check out if my back is still out of shape or getting fat because of sleeping. So that's all in this video guys. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe in my channel if you like, or share and click notification bell for more updates on my new upload.